Hello, my name is Daniel, and I'm going to show you the basics about using Microsoft Word 2010. This video is basically only going to cover the home, and I'm going to create other videos to cover all the other tabs. Whenever you open up Microsoft Word 2010, it always starts off on the home tab by default. So everything you usually need to do when you automatically just want to start typing is in home. I'm gonna start off with one of the major things when people start typing is the alignment text, that where you want to align your text. This aligns it to the left. For example, I'll type in the cat is mad. It aligns it to the left. I'm going to delete this text real quick and show you what happens when you put it in the center. The cat is mad. Everything is aligned to the middle when you select the middle, the center. And the last one does the same thing. It aligns it all the way to the right. So everything's being aligned to the right. The cat is mad. It aligns everything to the left. Right, sorry. It aligns everything to the right. So this is where you align your text with. And this one doesn't align nothing. You just, when you type in stuff, this last one doesn't align. You just type. It's not going to pre-align it. It's just, it'll just leave as is. So you would just start from the left. See how I'm just typing stuff? It's not going to align nothing. So the last one didn't align. So mostly you're going to use these three. Align left. Align left. The hotkey is for align text to left is Control L. Control L is for left. Center is Control E, and the align text right is Control R. Again, to align all text with the hotkeys is Control L to align to the left. Control E to align to the middle. Control R is to align everything to the right. And Control J is to have it just set to where it doesn't align no text at all. You just type and it's as is. It's not going to align anything. It's not going to align it to the middle. Nothing. You just fill it. Just do that. It just fills it in. It's not aligning nothing. Let's go to font. I'm going to show you what the font is. These three you're going to really be using a lot. I'm going to type something in. The cat is mad. Okay, you can highlight your text, go to your font, choose whatever font you want, and it has it categorized. By default, this is your default one right here, Calibri, and it has sections where the most frequently used font that you use. So my frequently used font is New Times Roman. You can go through all your fonts too. It has them categorized alphabetical order. So it'll start off with Adobe Arabic all the way down to Z, or whatever the last type of text is. So it'll convert your text. Whatever you typed in, it'll convert it. You see how it goes? So it'll start off from all fonts will start off from alphabetical order to the last. You can also when you highlight it, you can select it and go to your fonts like I just said. and choose whatever font you want your text, the highlighted text, to be converted to. Now, if you just want to automatically start typing in a pre-chose text that you want, so you just go over here, go to fonts again. If you start off with if you start off with a plain document and you want to choose a font, you just go to whatever font you want. I'm going to choose Times Roman, and you just type in. It'll start off with that font. The cat is mad. So it starts off with that specific font that you chose. Typing. Just start typing in whatever font. Like when you open up a brand new, when you just open up Microsoft Word and it's completely blank, as displayed in the beginning of this video, it was blank. So you just go to your font right here, choose whatever font you want, and if you want to change your font, specific words or whatever, you just go to highlight that word, click whatever font or letter you want to change it to. You can change this to different fonts. As displayed, you could highlight a word or just a letter. Say if you just want one letter to be a different font than everything else. All this is Times New Roman, so I'm going to change this Times New Roman T to a different font. I'll go to font, Adobe Arabic, change it to Adobe Arabic. So you could change it to whatever font you want. All you have to do is highlight the specific letter or words or group of words. In highlighting, you click down and you move your mouse. You hold down your right clicker. Left clicker, and then you highlight, and then you move around. You move your icon to select the text you want to edit. That's how you highlight. So again, select whatever text. This time I'm gonna choose is. I'm gonna select the word is. I hold down the left clicker and move the icon. The one that's shaped like an eye. That's how you use the highlight. So you just hold down the left clicker, shade in the area that you want to change the text to change the font, whatever. So you could change it to whatever. Now, like when I showed you earlier, before you even type in any text you want, you can always just, when it starts off as a blank document, as I opened it, you could just automatically just go there and type in. Now you can automatically change your fonts. You got a mismatched font if you want. Like for example, the cat is mad at you. You could select this to be this type of font. You could select another to be another type of font, and etc. and etc. You can change. But after you select that last set font on a specific word or sentences or text, after you start typing new words in, like say if I'm gonna do it for that specific font that you chose for that specific word. After you start typing in, it's gonna use the Adobe Fan Heidi font. So whatever font you last used in that specific section, and you hit space and you start typing in new words, it's gonna go off that last font you used in that particular section. Like for the word the. For example, I'm gonna use cat. I'm gonna do an example for cat. See?